Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Android customization, focusing on the amazing capabilities of KWGT for Android 12. Android 12 KWGT refers to a specific customization feature for Android devices that utilizes the KWGT Kustom Widget Maker app. This feature allows users to create personalized widgets for their home screen, giving them control over the design and functionality of the information displayed. One of the best applications compatible with Android 12 is KWGT Pro, which enhances the standard KWGT app by unlocking additional features and functionalities. This app allows for deeper customization, enabling users to add unique visual elements, adjust layouts, and utilize various data sources, such as weather, calendar events, or system info. The best KWGT widgets are often created by designers who share their work on platforms like the Google Play Store or dedicated communities. These widgets can enhance the look and feel of a device, allowing users to express their style while also integrating useful information seamlessly. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Android 12 KWGT and its best applications inspired you to start customizing your home screen, and see you in the next video.